Well, it's your money, so as the end of tax season begins to approach, we are working for you to better understand the challenges and the confusion that obviously can arise when you're trying to maximize your tax breaks and also comply with the ever-changing tax laws. And of course, all of this comes amid new reports about mass layoffs at the IRS. A lot of people worried about that. Well, the agency is drafting plans to cut as much as half of its workforce, according to some reports. Already, more than 7,000 probationary employees have been let go as part of the Trump administration's effort to shrink the size of the federal government, and people in our area are wondering how that might affect their taxes.
I would just want to know how we're going to be paying taxes with all of the federal government and employees losing their jobs. I'm very concerned about if I need help or if I need information, where would I go, since a lot of people are losing their jobs right now.
Pretty common type of question, right? And so our mission here at 10 News, we want to break down these complexities and provide you with clear, actionable information that can help you make informed decisions about your finances. And that's why I'm joined tonight by Chuck Neely, who is the CEO of Neely's Accounting in Roanoke. Chuck, thank you for joining me here today.
Thank you.
So you have been a CPA since 1986. We're going to go with that's a long time.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell us how you think these layoffs, first of all, are going to affect people.
Certainly, just contacting the IRS is going to be a very challenging issue for us and for the normal taxpayer. We feel we have issues trying to get through to them now, but we have some ways to potentially talk to your local U.S. representatives and senators. There is a tax advocate office, taxpayers advocate office, that taxpayers can go to, but it's going to be difficult, to say the least.
Getting somebody on the phone is going to be difficult.
Yes,
right?
it is. It has been since the COVID years, and it has not gotten much better even for us.
And I'm sure people are concerned, well, will they be able to turn my tax return around?
Most everything is electronic now.
Okay.
So about 90% of the tax returns are electronically filed, and as such, they're automatically done. They are compared to computer records later on that the IRS has. So trying to circumvent the system doesn't really work. Paper filing will take some time, and any letters, correspondence, amended tax returns, things such as that, is going to be difficult to get answers from the IRS.
Yeah, okay. With the new administration, we're hearing from people who are looking for answers about the changes to the tax code. Let's listen into this one.
I would like to know, is it better to file your taxes later towards the deadline, knowing that there are changes that might be coming, or should I go ahead and file now and know that they're done?
Interesting question.
For the peace of mind, because you never know what happens in your life.
Right.
You may want to go ahead and get them done now. If there are changes, which has only happened twice since I've been doing this, that go retroactive, it'll be in the future. So I think going ahead and filing now is fine. Just make sure that you have all your documents. That we've filed some tax returns already this year, and we've gotten corrected brokerage statements and things from the different banks. So sometimes it may be better to wait to make sure that everything that you have is current and the best it could be.
Procrastinators are going to love that answer.
Yes, yes, they will.
They now have an excuse to say, well, things might change.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right. But obviously, April 15th is a Tuesday this year, so we'll, you can certainly extend your tax return. That is only a time to extend a tax return. Is only time to file the return, not to pay the money. You are to pay the money when you extend if you have a balance due.
Okay, and just in like 10 seconds, tax brackets change this year. People need to know that there are some different
tax
things.
Brackets changed, standard deductions changed. That's the real only changes in the tax code this year. There really is no codified changes.
Okay. Chuck Neely, Neely's Tax Service, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you, John. Appreciate it.